Python Fundamentals. Every AI and ML students should cover this Python Fundamentals. Welcome to our channel Quantum Saga IT. Let's start today's video from Fundamentals of Python. 1. Data types, 2. File handling, 3. Error handling, 4. List comprehensions, 5. Control structures, 6. Functions and modules, 7. Object-oriented programming. Oops. Data types we have to cover: integers, floats, strings, lists, tuples, dictionaries, and sets. File handling, reading, writing, and manipulating files. Error handling, try-except blocks for managing errors. List comprehensions, efficient ways to create and manipulate lists. Control structures, loops for, while, conditional statements if, else, elif. Functions and modules, defining functions, lambda functions, importing modules. Object-oriented programming. Oops, classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. This all is very important Python fundamentals, and before starting AI and ML you should learn this all fundamentals. In next video, we will talk about data manipulation, so subscribe us to learn about Python and AI. Let's build the future together. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel Quantum Saga IT.